Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by reclaiming system resources. Close extra tabs and apps so Chromebook RAM and CPU focus on Roblox. Once done, check settings about Chrome OS and install any updates. Newer builds include performance fixes. Next, open Roblox graphics settings and lower quality to reduce GPU load, set FPS to 30, and disable unnecessary effects. These steps reduce contention for CPU/GPU and often eliminate stuttering before deeper tweaks are required. Now you dive into resource control. Press Search plus ESC to open Task Manager and end processes hogging CPU or memory. This directly improves frame stability. Make sure Chromebook power profile is set for performance when plugged in. On some models, battery saver throttles CPU. Clear Chrome cache and temporarily disable extensions because background scripts can spike CPU during gameplay. If using progressive web app or browser mode, run Roblox in a standalone window to cut browser overhead. Finish with networking and app-level fixes. Connect via wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to lower latency and packet loss. Aim for under 50 ms ping for smooth multiplayer. If lag persists, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app, or try the Android version from Google Play if compatible. Some builds perform better. If nothing helps, create a new Chromebook user or power wash the device to rule out profile corruption. Troubleshooting tip: test another network and account to isolate hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.